riding my bike in San Juan del Sur. We are coming from the north part of the bay. We follow the street to go in the city center. So Rocamar restaurant, Anamar hotel restaurant. Oh, for sale. Okay, cool. Beach bar Anamar. Here we have a pizza. It was called El Bamboo before. Here we see the beach. Okay, let's keep straight on the road. What do we have next? So here on my left hand is the port parking. You can rent a space here to park your boat, motorboat mainly. Some ranch, non-use. I don't know why. El Sunny Bar, Arribas Bar, good for the night life. Someone here, hi. A nice restaurant, La Cubana. An ice cream. Here you have some condo residents. Here is the lead bar. I don't know what's going on now, but it was an amazing place. And here we have the volleyball court, where is the sunset crowd is taking place here. Some guys, tourists I guess. Here we arrive on the main area with Vivian's restaurant. Ça va, tranquille? Our lime cellar, Iguana bar. El Timon, the famous restaurant El Timon. Some traffic. Oh! Here is one of the best pizza you can find in town. Italian wood oven. And here some rentals. Nica Rental, our friend Eric, the best rental in town. La Tostadera for the best coffee and breakfast. With a nice bakery here. So if I keep straight, we have the port of San Juan. They call it the Malecon, so the pedestrian way. And I'm going left. Sunglass seller. Discover Real Estate, competitor, but they are friends, I would say. And friendly, so it's fine. Here I take the Park Avenue. So I'm going east on the direction, going to our office, BVN Real Estate. We are half block west from the park, from the Catholic Church of San Juan del Sur. So there is some hostels, Hostal Brisa, Hostal Mama Sara, very famous Mama Sara actually. Here an hardware store. The biggest hostel called Casa Oro. Here we call it normally the Gringo Street on our Nica wards, because there is a lot of foreigners who have like business there. And here we arrive to BVN Real Estate, the major agency in town. Probably the future first agency coming soon. Okay, see you guys.